Welcome to another interesting session with the Piani Group of Colleges. We have with us here today Mr. Amit Sharma, who's Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce, Piani Girls College, Vidyadhar Nagar. Mr. Sharma has done his MBA in Finance from the Edinburgh Business School, Heriot-Watt University, London. The campus of this university was based at Singapore. So, Mr. Sharma has seen not only Singapore, but also has learned a little about London and knows a lot about India. Since Mr. Sharma's field of interest is economics, I would like to ask Sir something about Indian economy and how it stands in the global perspective. सर, हम इंडियन इकोनॉमी की जब बात करते हैं तो हमने आपके प्रीवियस इंटरव्यू में भी ये डिस्कस किया था कि बहुत से वर्ल्ड क्राइसिस हैं, बहुत से वर्ल्ड कंडीशंस हैं जिसकी वजह से इंडियन इकोनॉमी अफेक्ट होती है. एंड वन ऑफ द मेजर थिंग्स दैट पीपल थिंक ऑफ जब इंडियन इकोनॉमी के बारे में सोचते हैं, अपार्ट फ्रॉम फिस्कल पॉलिसीज़ एंड मॉनेटरी पॉलिसीज़, वो है स्टॉक मार्केट. हम सबसे ज़्यादा उसकी फ्लक्चुएशन पे कंसंट्रेट करते हैं. आज स्टॉक मार्केट गिर गया, आज स्टॉक के दाम सही हैं, बढ़ गए हैं. तो इन द इंडियन सिनेरियो, how active is the stock market and how much of it is really speculative?
Well, for Indian context, if we talk about the stock market is more than 200 years of old, and different countries, it is I would say this is when business has started, even stock market has started at that methodology at that time. In India, the stock market, before India, I would like to say that different countries have different stock exchanges. Like in India, we do have two stock exchanges. One is BSE and another one is National Stock Exchange, which is NSE. So in Singapore also they do have Singapore Stock Exchange, which is also termed as SGX. So different countries, they run their business through different stock exchanges with the different stock indexes. Like for Bombay Stock Exchange, the main index is BSE. The BSE's index is Sensex, which is sensitivity index, and for NSE it is Nifty. So Nifty, since it is FT wise, like ends with FTY, it has the top 50 firms. So top 50 firms, when they grow, Nifty also grows, and when the market is down, Nifty also becomes down. So like your second question was, is it a 100% speculation market? No, I won't say that someone can make it 100% speculation, because nothing is fixed. As we also discussed in our previous interview, that stock market is something which is related with the speculation, and no one can exactly 100% speculate the stock market, as it is 100% depends upon the informations. And information from world economy, from the related segment, from the related indexes, from the related CPI, that is a consumer price index, is also fluctuates like as per the economic standards. If we talk about in India, Manmohan Singh has initiated in 1991 initially, which was a foreign direct investment, and which helps Indian economy to become a little bit more stabilized in terms of foreign investment. Before that, we were not strong enough to have that foreign investments. So after FDI were being introduced in Indian economy, we were more stronger, like as per the foreign investment. Foreign investors has started showing us their faith like into Indian economy, since we know that India and China is one of the largest economy. You can sell anything here. So it is the hotshot economies in the mind of world economists. And second question about the speculation, gambling, sorry. I would say gambling, this is not at all a gambling. I would say it is an art of playing with the financial instruments. I mean, if you know how to use futures and options, if you know how to calculate your stock, if you know how to make your portfolio more diversified, you can actually make money out of it. But if you speculate it wrongly, you may lose also. So equity market is always high risk, high gain market. If you speculate high, if you invest high, you may win high or you may lose high. So it is a both situation, you may win or you may lose, but I won't say it is a 100% gambling situation.
I agree with you when you say it's not 100% gambling situation. But see, common man को इतनी knowledge नहीं होती कि कौन सी कंपनी के stocks ऊपर जाएंगे, कौन सी कंपनी better कर रही है, कौन सी बुरी कर रही है. And they cannot always wait for annual reports. ये जज करने को कि इस साल कंपनी ने कितना अच्छा किया. So basically most of us rely on stock brokers or other advisors as such who suggest to us कि ये stocks की price ऊपर जाएंगे या नीचे जाएंगे. Now because of these kind of practices, some of us have started believing कि stock market जो है वो operator based है, जो operate कर रहा है हमारा account, वो जो हैं हमारे stocks के prices या तो बढ़ा रहे हैं या घटा रहे हैं. How true are these accusations?
There are stock operators, and I would say if you are a common man, if you have keen interest in investing into stock market, there are thousands of like options. There are certain brokerage firms who plays a role as an intermediate between investor and the stock providers. So stock is always fluctuate, we know, but there are certain leads which you can get from your stock broker. Like I would say in Jaipur, if you talk about angel broking, Sher Khan, there are thousands of online brokerage houses are also operating who actually assist you to have an exact idea that in which stock you should put your money in, what should be your balanced portfolio and all. So you no need to put your own mind. If you have the money, if you have the intention to put your money into stocks, you can always be an investor in the stock market. But since it is an art of speculation, I would say speculation cannot be 100%. Even if you go with your stock brokers, you may still lose your money. So sometimes I would say it is a situation of luck plus your keen knowledge of your stock market. So you can always make money if you know that when, like, this is a two situation, you should know when you should put your money in, and exactly on the other hand you should know that when you should keep your money out of it. So this is the thing, these are the two situations, both are equally important. So if you know this art, when you should put your money in and when you should keep it out, you may always make money out of it.
Right. So ये art सीखने के लिए या तो हमें practice चाहिए,
True.
observation चाहिए, या are there certain courses जो हम कर सकते हैं so that we understand the
Very
basics?
good question, ma'am. There is an online certification program which is NCFM certification, which is initiated by a National Stock Exchange. There is 18 modules. So if you want to become an expert, you should put emphasis on module 14, 16, 18 and 21. Okay. Which is actually related with the stock market and which gives you the hardcore stock options. So these, after finishing those online certification program, you will be invited to be a part of equity advisor into a National Stock Exchange building in Mumbai. Okay. And it is a 3 months of like internship program in which you will be actually a jobber. Jobber is a job analyst, or I would say a script analyst, who actually suggest you that in which script you should put your money in. So these are the financial advisors. Now the new sting has already came up. It is the equity advisors, which we know in the financial like industry. So you can be equity advisor. It has a very bright future ahead. And if you even pass out of 18 module, if you like able to pass 15 or 14 module, you will be an equity expert after that.
Right. Thank you so much. We would like to thank Mr. Sharma for sharing such valuable information, not only about the Indian stock market or stock market in general, but also its speculative tendencies and how it can be used, as in the stock market can be used to get gainfully employed in a right direction so that the speculation part stays in control and we are able to analyze the market and the situations around us. Thank you once again for your contribution, sir. And on behalf of Biani Group of Colleges, I would like to tell you that you can find more information related to our educational material and to the latest advances in technology and latest happenings in the world through our web portal called www.gurukpo.com. Also, if you would like to know more about our college, you can visit us on www.bianicolleges.org. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Until next time when we meet, this is Anu Bhatnagar saying thank you on behalf of Biani Group of Colleges. Thank you.